How to repair your 65-ton air hydraulic jack. Always place the jack on its left side, with the oil filler hole facing downwards. That way you avoid oil leakage and oil in the air system. Remove the protective plate by removing the 2 screws. Then remove the 4 cylinder screws. Place the jack upright and pull the frame back a little. The next step is to disassemble the air hose for the cylinder return by pushing the small red ring while pulling the hose. Then remove the oil hose. Pull the frame further back and then remove the air supply hose for the air motor. If you need to repair the cylinder, start by fixing the cylinder base to your workbench. Polish the top of the piston rod to make it easier to remove it from the main cylinder. Then remove the piston rod from the main cylinder. Remember to be careful with the cylinder parts. Avoid using tools that might leave scratches and marks. Remove the old seals. Check for scratches and rust. Use air to clean the parts. Refit new seals on the piston. Lubricate with grease. Remove the old seals on the main cylinder. Check for scratches and rust. Refit new seals. Lock the O-ring in the main cylinder bottom with grease to make sure it stays in place. Clean the cylinder base. Lubricate the thread with grease. Place the piston rod with piston in the cylinder base. And remount the main cylinder. All special tools used in this video are available on request. Make sure that the bottom lip of the scraper ring is positioned correctly. Be sure to push air hoses fully into the quick couplings. If you need to change the complete air hydraulic pump, start by removing the small air hose and then remove 3 screws on the cylinder base. Remove the O-ring between cylinder base and pump block. Make sure everything is clean before you refit a new O-ring. Lubricate with grease. Refit the screws and the air hose. Be sure to push the air hoses fully into the quick couplings. If you need to replace the air motor and seals in the packing box, start by removing the sound absorber. Observe the exact turning position of the air motor. The air motor does not need to be tightened, but can be turned back to the original position. Remove the air motor. Remove the packing box. Remove the seals. Clean and check for any damage, including the pump piston for scratches. Refit new seals, take care to position them correctly. Lubricate with grease and remount the packing box. Remove the air motor's pump piston. Clean and check for scratches. Change the air piston seals if needed. Lubricate with grease and refit the air piston. Refit the air motor on the pump block. Take care to position the air motor correctly. Refit the sound absorber. When the jack is ready for reassembly, just follow the disassemble steps in reverse order. Be sure to push all hoses fully into the quick couplings. Always check the condition of the oil. It may be diluted by air humidity or deteriorated by dirt. Drain out the oil by placing the jack on its left side. Refill with clean oil. Correct oil level is to the lower edge of the hole with the cylinder fully down.